What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got another little trade setup for you. This is C98. It is looking like the swing traders might be getting excited because this is at a prime location for accumulation. Let's go ahead and start getting these levels in, and let's see what this thing has in store for us. So, looking at our weekly candle low closes and candle high closes, just to figure out where major support and resistance are sitting. Currently, right now, we are sitting on a major level of support based off these candle low closes back here. So, we are testing it right now. This is almost the lowest levels of support you have ever seen. Noted, since you did fall below, you are looking to hold the higher low. This is actually a very big deal after a technical double bottom. So let's see if we do hold it, because if we do, we have a new trend, and it is a trend to the upside. Let's go ahead and see where our next levels are. So right here, we do have a level which I guess we would bring this down here because of these candle low closes. That makes a lot more sense. Then we do have this area. I'm going to use the entire area as support and resistance because these are major levels. This is what I'm focused on in the near term. In the longer term, you see C98 did have a beautiful run to the upside before falling all the way down into the depths of the abyss. But now it's looking like we might be getting a little bit of hope again. That is your next level. Honorable mention down here, because we will have to pay attention to this as well as this. It might be a good little pocket for price to stall out, so we do have to pay attention to those. Let's go into our last level. We got one more honorable mention in here. One more right there. So these are our levels that we're focused in on, and what I really do want to point out at the beginning of this is, as a golden retrace, not even setting new all-time highs, just a golden retrace, let's make sure I got this low in place. So right now, I did not. Oh boy, gotta get it right. There you go. Let's say we stopped falling right at this point. Then we could very well see this thing move on up. Let's get this right. Let's get it right. Hold on. Gotta make sure it's right, just for you guys. Gotta make sure it's right, because this golden retrace is massive. You could see a golden retrace of 2,996%. So just keep that in mind. C98 could go from 13 cents all the way up to $4.01. So yeah, kind of a big move could be happening, and it all starts down where the price is at now. So let's dive a little deeper into this. Let's get a better idea of what our resistance is. So currently we do have a demand line, which is this right here. So we do have to break out of that still, so you have plenty of time to accumulate. Plenty of time. This is a weekly chart, so accumulation might be a good idea here. You're currently putting in, it looks like, your first red cell of the MACD, but I don't think that's going to last very long. You can see the sell pressure has just been falling off a cliff, so I would expect maybe some low amounts of sell pressure here before the breakout, and then the back test, of course. That back test will probably be your last opportunity to get into C98 at these wonderful basement level prices. Right now, it does really look like we're setting a higher low. Let's go into the daily real fast. Let's see if we have any type of bullish divergence. Right now, we do not, but we do have hidden bullish divergence, I believe. We do, slightly lower on the relative strength while having higher prices. This is hidden bullish divergence on your relative strength. That's pretty darn good. And then we also have nice bullish divergence on the MACD as well, by way of seeing the higher amounts of selling pressure while having a higher price. So that is very good to see. Hidden bullish divergence on both the relative strength and the MACD. I don't see that too often, if I'm being honest. So Let's go ahead and check out this downtrend right here. We would be looking at it just like this. So you can see we were utilizing it as resistance. You could even pull it out a little bit further just to say, hey, we're not really broken out yet. We could see a pop to the upside and a back test of this level as support. That is okay too. But since this is a higher low, if we manage to hold above 1262, this is actually going to be a really big deal because your measured move is going to be pretty large and a confirmed breakout. So you could end up seeing C98 running up 200%. That is in the medium term. That could take you a few weeks to play out. Let's go into the lower time frames. Let's go down into the 4 hour. So on your 4 hour time frame, let's see if we have any type of bullish divergence. We did back here. We had our bullish divergence. We popped up. We fell back down. Now it looks like we're trying to confirm a low. That's not too shabby. Not too shabby. Also, I guess technically do have bullish divergence. Higher low is forming right now. As long as Bitcoin doesn't continue dumping and rejecting off of the $104,000 level, we should see C98 have a nice move to the upside, because we would then be looking for, once again, that golden retrace based off high to low. So right now, in the shorter term, we might see a nice little break to the upside, 72% to the upside for C98. That looks pretty darn good to me on the 4 hour. Now, let's go ahead and drop down to the 1 hour. Let's see if we see any more divergence, any more hope, anything going on here. So the thing you really do want is for all of your moving averages to converge to the upside, because that means momentum is moving in your direction. Currently, we do not have that. What we do have is the starting of a higher low with lower relative strength. That's great. Hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour is starting to form. So on your scalp trade, anybody who wants to scalp trade this, you have the opportunity to right now, where you would be looking at C98 right here as a confirmed breakout, trying to get a back test right now, right there. So if you confirm this back test, that'll be absolutely phenomenal. You could be seeing, for a nice little scalp trade, moving up 14% is possible and giving you that confirmed breakout to the upside. You still would be looking for another back test down here at 1262, but as long as you can stay above 1262, a much bigger move could be in play. This could be the absolute start of the massive golden retrace, getting you up into the $4.01 level, possibly even testing $4.85. So understand what is going on based off these tiny moves and the bigger picture. Swing traders more than likely are going to start flooding into C98 at these levels, because we are holding our lows right now, and it does look like it could be the best opportunity to accumulate this token. I know I personally am going to accumulate more of this token at these levels because I don't like passing up a ton of gains. I really don't. And if you are deciding you don't think it's going to make it all the way up to the highest golden retrace, you can still use this golden retrace as well. You could see a move of 328%. Still great opportunity in my opinion, but that is just my opinion. This is never financial advice. This is just what I'm doing in the crypto space, and you guys should do your own research as well as figure out your own strategy. But I do know this, to me, looks absolutely amazing. If you would like, please hit the like and subscribe to the channel so I know that you actually do enjoy this style of content, and I will keep bringing it to you every single day. Also, I do live stream every day where we go over technical analysis. I take viewer requests. I also just bring up how I would trade certain assets, or even if I wouldn't trade it. So it's always nice to get another point of view when it comes to anything that you're deciding to jump into. At least in my opinion it is, because noted, I'm learning just like everybody else. I just noticed my method has been working pretty well lately. So anyways, if you do enjoy this, please like and subscribe, and maybe catch a live stream. I do live stream every single day. Also, we do have 2 affiliated exchanges. It is Weeks and Buy DeFi. There is no VPN, there's no KYC. They have great deposit bonuses, and you can leverage trade some of your favorite meme coins. So if you're into that degeneracy, you can jump in there. Of course, you can trade all other large cap coins as well. It is a great opportunity to take full advantage of this market. Also, we do have a free Discord. So in the links down in the description below, you're not only going to find the Weeks Buy DeFi links, you're also going to find a link to the Discord where I do post trade setups. I post brand new projects that I'm seeing. I post random news that I'm finding. Everything is down in the description below. You will find all that information in the Discord, and it's totally free. There's no fees, no nothing, just totally free. Anyways, this is my way of just trying to help the community, try and make a ton of gains in this market. Anyways, hope to catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Keep those stop losses tight.